I'm Shonna Cheryl with eXp Realty, and today I am going to show you a home here in Mableton, Georgia. This is a kind of special home to me because it is a longtime friend, and they have owned this home since it was built in the late 80s. It's a John Whelan home, and the community is called Glenleigh. It is a swim tennis community, and the neighbors here are just amazing. They're friendly. They've also been here quite a while, but life has taken some turns here for this family, and they are going to be moving. So one owner since 1987. It's been well taken care of, and it's just a lovely neighborhood. We're very close to the Silver Comet Trail, close to the Covered Bridge, which is a landmark here in the area. And many of the children in this neighborhood go to Whitefield Academy, which is not too far away, and it's a great school here in Cobb County. So right now we're going to take a quick look at the neighborhood, and then we'll be going into the home to tour it. So just imagine coming into this street here, mature trees. It's just lovely. It's a nice fall day here today. These are some of your neighbors' homes, traditional brick homes. And here is the property that we're going to tour. It is a 2-car side entry garage, 2-story on a full finished basement. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs and 2 baths. On the main level there is a full bath. And on the lower level, you could easily have an in-law suite. There is a bathroom, full bath. There is a living area. There is unfinished storage area. And there is an amazing entertainment area where there is a full bar. Let's go on in. Okay, as we make our way inside, first thing you'll have is a very nice sized living room here on the right with French doors. Your staircase to the second level. A very large dining area. Now, take a good look at this kitchen. It's been remodeled and it is just simply fabulous. Beautiful stone countertops, 6-burner gas cooktop, hot filler. Look at all this space. Have your island with a microwave, double bowl sink, looking out over a lovely backyard. You have double ovens, pantry area, and here is a separate bar with sink and wine rack. Then into this really cool den area. Fireplace, built-ins, beautiful wood paneling. That goes right back out to the front door. And here, a half bath has actually been converted to a full bathroom. You have a pedestal sink and a shower with grab bars. This is such a wonderful screened-in porch. Look at this. Sit out here and have your morning coffee, your quiet time, because it's so quiet here. And then as we head outside, have a large deck, a ramp all the way back to the driveway. Look at that beautiful yard. It's lovely. Now you do have 2 doors going into the screen porch. All of the windows have been replaced. The front is brick and the other 3 sides are vinyl. Let's go take a look upstairs. On the right is the primary suite. Very large space here with tray ceiling. A little extra sitting area here. We come into the primary bathroom. There are 2 closets, one on each side with mirrors. We have dual vanities. Really pretty white cabinets. Large jacuzzi tub here. A nice size shower with glass surround. And here's your little toilet area. Now making our way back to the hallway. Your second bedroom, currently set up as an office. And go to the hall bath here. Have a linen closet. Here's your third bedroom on the second level. And here is number 4, the blue room. The laundry room is conveniently located here on the second level. Extra cabinets for storage. And you have a large bonus room. Also has a closet. This is over the garage. It can totally be a bedroom. That's how it's set up and how it's always been used. And here's a cool little feature. Back stairs that head back down to the kitchen. Now as we get down the staircase, you have a storage closet here, and this goes out to your 2-car garage. We're back to the kitchen. Now we will head downstairs for a look at the basement level. This is like can be a bedroom. There's a closet on the other side of that door. Interestingly, this is a shower and has the ability to be a steam room. Just the rest of the bathroom here. We'll come right back out into the hallway. This is your mechanical closet. Now remember I told you about the bar area? Look at that. Totally be a little kitchen. Your fridge. Sink. All that storage area. So cool. Lots of space to relax and entertain. Now these double doors will lead out to the lower patio. It feels so nice here today. It's beautiful. Green. Fall is in the air. Now I do want to show you a neat little feature right over here. Kids will love this. This is the secret room. You have a little extra storage back here. or hideout for the kids. And then finally, we come into somewhat finished storage area. Got plenty of room for your Christmas things, maybe a playroom. And then this takes you through right back to the staircase. Well, that concludes our tour of this gorgeous home here at 4516 Kinvara Circle in Mableton, Georgia. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, amazing lower level, great neighborhood. It's going on market for $549,900. So if we can help you with this or any other home in the area, be sure to reach out and let us know. All of my contact information is below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.